Hey guys, so just like the last one, we're very late again. Today I have the November Witch Casket box to show you. For anyone that hasn't seen me open this before, it's £29 a month to the UK. It is a UK box. They do post it worldwide. I'll put the countries' prices that I do know down below in case you want to go and check them out along with their link and everything. And as the last few videos, I'm filming them all on the same day to try and like get these out of the way a little bit while I can, and I still have a cold, so I do apologise for the really gross voice that I've got right now. So I haven't opened this yet. I literally just opened October's on camera like 10 minutes ago. For you guys, that will have been a few weeks ago, but I absolutely loved that one, so I'm kind of hoping that this one keeps up and stays really good. So the booklet on the top, the theme this month for November is letting go, and it seems to be kind of like a beige colour scheme. I don't love that, if I'm honest. I like when they do black and white or a more brighter colour. Beige just isn't for me, but this little booklet tells you all about the items in the box anyway. I'm not going to go through that because I'm going to show you, but that is what that is. Then we have our little art print on the top. So this one I would say is kind of like spring, personally. It's like florally, ferns and stuff like that at the moon. Has a little moth. It's giving springtime to me, really. Not November, but that is fine. And then on the back we have the monthly manifestations as always. So it says, what are my goals this month? What practical steps can I take to reach these goals? And what magical steps can I take to reach these goals? So that is that. Then we have our little spell kit for the month. So this one is a cord cutting ritual kit. So it says it contains all you need to rid yourself of bad habits, a person, a situation or an emotion which no longer serves you. I wonder if this would work on our downstairs neighbours. They are a person that I want to rid of, honestly, so maybe. So in here we have our little instruction card, which I will hold up in a second. It looks like the candle has like stained it. We've got two little black candles, and then we have some black string twine kind of stuff. So hopefully you can still read it. Like I said, I will hold it in case anyone wants to pause and write it down or anything like that. So that is the cord cutting ritual spell kit. Then next we have a little pouch with a butterfly on it. Again, kind of giving spring vibes with the butterflies and stuff. Oh, this looks like some very unusual scissors. They're very pretty though. So these are ornate altar scissors. It says these enchanting altar scissors can not only be used to cut your cords for spells such as not magic, they have many other uses both physically and symbolically in rituals for unbinding, cutting and breaking. So they do have a little plastic tip on there right now, but they are very pretty though. They've got like little stars and moons and stuff like engraved into here. So that is our little altar scissors that we have in this butterfly pouch. Then next we have a little box, and it says letting go herb blend. So this is a magical blend of angelica, dandelion leaf and lemon balm. Every time I get herb blends like this, all I can think of is Chili, because we buy him bags and bags and bags of different floral herbs and leaves and things like that, so he would probably love this. It says use this magical herb blend for any spell or ritual relating to letting go or moving on. Use to dress or encircle candles, add to charm bags and spell jars, or use in ritual baths, etc. So I'm not going to open it properly. It is just a little brown bag of herbs. I feel like you all know what a herb looks like. So that is what that little herb blend is. Next we have, I feel like, a very creepy little item. This is an ornate glass tear catcher. It says in witchcraft, collecting tears can be useful practice since our tears can be used in spells for letting go and moving on. Angry tears can be used in spells to let go of your anger, and sad tears can be used in spells to ease sorrow and grief and let go of things that hurt you. Use tears to anoint candles and tools and add to ritual baths, potions, etc. Oh, okay. Very pretty, honestly. It is glass. It is a little stoppered like jar with engravings on it. Very cute. What a weird item. Kind of love it. It should have been a necklace. That would have been a really cute necklace if it was like a little smaller. Kind of love that, honestly. Yeah. Very, very weird item. I feel like that would have been cute in the Halloween October kind of box, because that's giving like oddities to me. But yeah, definitely my favourite thing in here so far. Ornate glass tear catcher. Then next we have our crystal for the month. So this one is an Amazonite. Very pretty. Very pale turquoisey teal kind of colour with like bits of white going through it. It says it's a gentle stone of truth, compassion and kindness, and it helps you to communicate your truth and soothes tense situations. It balances the nervous system and encourages you to move forward without fear. So that is our little stone for this month. Then we have our monthly pin, little enamel pin, and this one is a little moth. Fun fact, absolutely hate moths. Butterflies, beautiful. Moths, hate them. No idea why. I'm very scared of moths. So don't love that, but not for any reason other than the fact that I just really hate them. Then we have 3 things left. So we have a magical spell candle holder. Doesn't say anything, just magical spell candle holder. Honestly, kind of fed up of the spell candle holders. I feel like we have so many. I guess if you change out your altar like seasonally or whatever, then it's nice to have different ones, but I feel like we just have so many of them that it's like a lot. So this one, just a little like pottery black holder, and it's got some little golden stars on it. I don't know if they're the same. Yeah, 2 identical ones. They are very cute. I just have so many candle holders, so that is what they look like. Then we have some little sandalwood incense cones. So we don't have sticks this month, we have cones instead. It says traditional cleansing incense burned to banish negative or stagnant energies. Oh, they're sealed in here, so they're just in a little pouch. I'm not going to open that. I don't really use them. But that is what is in that little box. And then last but not least, we have a smoke cleansing crystal shelf. It says a unique invention crafted exclusively for Witch Casket subscribers. Place any crystal, jewellery, amulet or small item which needs to be cleansed on the upper shelf, lighting your incense cone below. Allow the smoke to cleanse your item of all stagnant or negative energy. So that is why we have the little incense cones, obviously. Kind of a cool idea, I guess. Like I said, I'm not really an incense person, but I think that is really cute though. So it's made of wood, it's got a little moon phases engraving cut out there, and then these little kind of star cutouts here. You would put your item that you want cleansing up here, and then your incense cone on this little metal plate down here, and like it said, the smoke cleanses it. It's very cute. It's giving birdhouse vibes. Very cute though, still very unusual item, a nice bigger item to have. So there is that, and then we have our scroll, which I will hold up and read in case anyone wants to pause it. This is the letting go burial ritual on here. And yeah, that was everything in the November Letting Go Witch Casket. So I'll quickly grab it all and show you all together at once again. So we had the little mini art print, the cord cutting ritual kit, the little ornate scissors in the pouch, the Letting Go herb blend, the sandalwood incense cones, the Amazonite crystal, the ornate glass tear catcher, which is definitely my favourite item of the box, the magic spell candle holders, and the smoke cleansing crystal shelf as well. So that was everything in the November box. I don't love it as much as October's box, if I'm totally honest. I think October's was really up there for me. But again, I don't hate this. I think it was quite full, quite nice, like big items. The shelf, this little glass tear catcher, literally I think is probably my favourite thing we've had from them in like 3 years. I don't know why, there's just something about it that seems really creepy to me about that. So I love that. Scissors are really pretty. Not the fullest box we've had, but also definitely not the emptiest box that we've had either. So you'll have to let me know what you think of this one down below. I will put all of the information for them, the link and everything in the description in case you want to go and check them out. And I hope you liked the video. If you did, please subscribe and I will see you soon. Bye guys.